tuna procurement in gem ti te hi DM te hi kan ti le ang kan copy le keu mai nga chuan heta hian kan va paste le anga khimi khi a hmu lo ani chuan heta te hian hi delete mai tur ti khian search key me le mai tur procurement in gem a hian kan lut anga kan enroll le anga khi procurement in gem open scom hi kan open le anga hi nga rei ve deuh hlek angai thin kan ti kha tikhian alo lang le ta a play hi kan met lenga tikhian
Hello and welcome to this e-learning course on procurement in GEM.
tingan forward le pop mang chu he start a hian a video chunga start ti hi om hi start a khang
Procurement in GEM course provides a
forward le pop manga khatiang khan kan kal
In this course, you will be able to
chuan
let us begin by
tikhan ti tlau mai tun ni chuan
Government e-marketplace. GEM is a one-stop online procurement portal for all government buyers, including departments, bodies, and PSUs. GEM was launched on 9th of August 2016 and provides an end-to-end online marketplace. GEM portal may be utilized by the government.
Tikhan pali nga kha kan ena ka bek sandeya alo om to kha chuan alo tik to kha chuan assessment kha ati le the mai ta assessment a kan kala hemi assessment hi chu mani thiam dan khan in lo chang vele mai don nia kha zong kha procurement in gem tia kan ti the chu lo ni le ta ni